Good morning children. So we are discussing about the fractions multiplications. So today's concept fractions divisions and simplification of the fractions. Okay. So the first one, open textbook page number 55. Page number 55. In page number 55, Roman number 1 completed. Now Roman number 2, divide. So how to do these divisions? Here one word you have to remember. What is that means? When the divisions are there, the fraction divisions are there, you have to remember that right side fraction, right side number fraction, that have to write in the reciprocal, in the form of reciprocal. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Means just simply writing the reverse order of the fraction. See, for example, 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. Okay, 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5. The first word what I said? The right side fraction. What is that? 4 by 5. Isn't it? This is in your right hand corner. So that will be to convert the division into multiplication. The division into multiplication, the right side, the fraction will be, has to convert into reciprocal. Reciprocal means the numerators place denominator and the denominators place numerator. It means 2 by 3. Now this division will be changed into the multiplication. Okay, the division symbol converted into multiplication. This 4 by 5 will become as a 5 by 4. This will be known as reciprocal. It means reverse order of the fraction. Numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. And at the same time have to change the symbol of the division also. This will be comes under the reciprocal. So first, the first sum in the textbook page number 55, 4 by 5 divided by 2, and second one, B1, 9 by 11 divided by 4 by 11. Okay, these two sums we will do it now. First one, 4 by 5 divided by 2. So, reciprocal of 2 is equal to, down of the 2 we are not having any kind of denominator, isn't it? Is there any denominator for the 2? Not there. But what you have to think means, if individual 2 is there means that will be comes under 2 by 1. Okay, the whole number will be get like a numerator and denominator we have to assume 1. Now make it into reverse order. Then it will become 1 by 2. Okay. So now 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. Directly 4 into 1 by 5 into 2 is equal to 4 by 2 5s are 10. 4 and 10. These two can be simplified using the 2 table, isn't it? So 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now answer is 2 by 5. 2 and 5, this can't be simplified in any number except 1 table. So you can leave 2 by 5 only as a answer. Okay, this will be known as division of fractions. Now coming to the second one. 9 by 11 divided by 4 by 11. First what you have to do? Convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Improper fraction. So What will be happen here? 1 9 by 11 is equal to 11 ones are 11 whole number into new denominator 11 ones are 11 and plus 9 is equal to 19 by 11. So write again 19 by 11 divided by 4 by 11. Next statement will come reciprocal of 4 by 11 is equal to 11 by 4. Eleven by 4. So right now 19 by 11 into 11 by 4. 19 into 11 or directly you can do the cross division. 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11. So the remainders are 19 into 1 by 1 into 4. 19 ones are 19 by 1 fours are 4. That is the answer. It means 19 by 4 is the answer. Okay. Now remaining sums C, D, E, F, G, H, that you have to do it as a homework. Next, Roman number 3, simplify. Textbook page number 56. Page number 56, Roman number 3. Simplify. Okay, first one. 3 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 3 divided by 1 1 by 9. All are there in the mixed fraction. Solution. Convert all mixed fractions into convert all mixed fractions into improper fraction. Okay, now first 3 1 by 2 into 3 1 by 3 divided by 1 1 by 9. 3 2s are first denominator and whole number. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 into 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10 by 3 divided by 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10 by 3. Okay, now here division is there now. So this division we have to write reciprocal. Reciprocal of 10 by 3 is equal to 3 by 10. So write 7 by 2 into 10 by 3 into 3 by 10. Here you can see the cross division. 3 ones are 3. 10 ones are 10. The remaining numbers are 7 by 2 into 1 into 1. So answer will be 7 by 2 only. Simple children. Division after, what is the division symbol after what is the mixed fraction will be, that you have to convert into the reciprocal. Okay, but before this all the mixed fractions have to change into improper fraction, then only do the reciprocal. So page number 56 section 3, remaining sums also homework, and along with that fill in the blanks are there. So if you multiply with 0, the answer will get 0 only, no? So observe carefully the properties and write the answers and choose the correct answers also is there here. So before completing this fill in the blanks, see me children. So before completing this fill in the blanks, once read the information which has given in the statement, which has given in the chapter begin. So like this, the divisions, simplification of the divisions are completed. In the next topic, we will discuss about the some more concepts based on the divisions and multiplications.